A very happy Saturday to you. I'm King 5 meteorologist Ashley Ruiz. It's March 1st, which means it is the first day of meteorological spring, but the spring equinox does not occur until March 20th. And it's been very spring-like here in western Washington, at least over the span of the last couple of days when we've had highs in the low and mid 60s, sunshine. Big change from the last 2 weeks, and our typical high for this time of year is 52 degrees, and our temperatures are going to drop back down to our seasonal norm, at least for a little while. I'll show you in just a minute, but let's talk about the spring equinox. It's officially 18 days away because it occurs at 2:03 a.m. on March 20th, and by then we'll have 12 hours and 11 minutes of daylight, something to really look forward to. And we are going to have sunsets after 7 o'clock starting next Sunday as we spring forward. Daylight saving will officially begin. And I've mentioned the spring-like weather has been here the last couple of days, going to stick around at least for another day. And I wanted to show you this really bizarre video. You may have seen this. It looks like maybe a plume of smoke, mist, actually pollen. This is from Everett, Snohomish County. Jan captured this, and you saw how it was swirling a little bit. Yep, pollen, and the pollen count reflects that. The Northwest Asthma and Allergy Center, at least as of Friday, saw that pollen counts were very high for cedar and juniper, and likely going to continue today. You may have noticed if you're sniffling and then that pollen on your car. We will have rain chances returning, which may help wash it away. It's not going to be anything heavy. Not so much today. We are going to have a pretty mild start to March for most, not so much the coast, but the light showers will return for us, at least in Puget Sound, starting tomorrow. And the near normal temperatures are going to be in the forecast starting tomorrow. I wanted to show you this view from Tacoma this morning when we've had dense fog. That is going to mix out, it's going to lift, and we're going to have generally sunny skies for most spots. Closer to the coast, it's going to be pretty murky, temperatures in the 50s. Up in the passes, going to have temperatures in the 40s and 50s. Tonight, going to be pretty mild. Temperatures will be in the low and mid 40s. We'll also have mostly cloudy skies and a couple of sprinkles out there. But tomorrow, that's when things change. The ridge that has kept us pretty dry and bright and sunny and mild, that's going to break down, allowing for our next system to move in. And that's when we'll reintroduce those light showers to the forecast. Sprinkles are expected closer to the coast today. We'll have increasing clouds in the back half of our day, becoming mostly cloudy into the overnight hours. Then we're skipping ahead to about maybe mid-morning, late morning into Sunday, and you see how we get some showers drifting in from the south, from about, I would say, the inlet all the way to the south. That's where we'll have the best chance for maybe some light accumulating rain. But then we get into Monday, once again going to have more of a nuisance in terms of any rain. You see right over Puget Sound, just most in Snohomish, King County into Monday morning, but then it's going to fizzle. We'll still have cloudy conditions and maybe that nuisance, drizzle, mist, whatever you want to call it. Monday through Monday night, you see how rain totals, this is what I was talking about, super light. For most, it's going to be about 1/10 of an inch, maybe a 1/4 of an inch, really not expecting much. Then we get into the mountains. Today, we're going to have that bluebird special, bright sunny skies, some low clouds below, but with that being said, it is going to be quite mild, 45 to 50, and that avalanche risk will continue, at least for the backcountry. All the time that you are going to head to the mountains, you want to check in with NWAC, the Northwest Avalanche Center. There's the website right there for the avalanche forecast. And you see that orange color? That is considerable, more so in the higher elevations for avalanches. So that is going to be something you want to watch very carefully. That risk will likely continue. Freezing levels about 9,500 feet today, but then snow levels start to drop back down to pass level, or at least near pass level. But we're not expecting much in the way of fresh snow, even with rain chances, snow chances returning to the forecast. This is the European model through next Thursday, showing how little of snow we're expecting up in the mountains, and we really need it. We are lacking in snowpack, but I don't think that this is going to be something to worry about right now. As we head into the middle half of March, it looks as though our weather pattern's going to trend a little cooler than normal and maybe wetter than normal. We'll see. But this is your 7-day forecast again, really going to flip. So enjoy today, enjoy the spring-like weather and the sunshine once we get rid of the fog, because things are going to turn pretty gray, very winter-like here in western Washington. Temperatures tomorrow 40s and 50s. By the middle half of the week, we'll have mid-50s, and again, that's near normal. Into Wednesday and Thursday, maybe a couple of showers, but it's more so in the back half of the work week and heading into the weekend when we'll have increasing rain once again. Beyond the 7-day forecast, in terms of the temperatures, this is what I was talking about. Temperatures are likely going to trend below normal as we head into the middle half of the month. So once again, we'll see if that will be the case. And again, we need the rain, we need the mountain snow. You can always find the latest forecast on king5.com. You can also find the latest extended forecast when we can talk and talk beyond just a couple of minutes, like what we do on air on King 5 Plus, which is free to download, Apple TV, Roku, and then Fire TV. You can always find the latest there, and we'll have just updates throughout the weekend and then into next week. But again, go out and enjoy today, as our weather pattern really is about to flip, and we're going to just fall back to that winter-like pattern. Enjoy your day and enjoy your weekend.